Project 20. In this project, we're going to figure out if we should continue paying overtime or we should hire a part-time worker and eliminate overtime. I ask you to put in a text box at the end telling me what your decision is with some justification. So I copied the pay per hour for the various workers here, and then just like if you were figuring out for yourselves what your pay was, I'm going to use an if statement here. So I'm going to f of x, if is usually there it is, and I'm going to say that if the hours with the overtime are greater than 40, then we have to pay overtime. So if that's true, then we have to pay I take the hours minus 40, put that in parentheses, times the pay times 1.5, time and a half, plus then we'll still have to pay the regular hours. So that would be the pay, click on the pay, and I'm going to have to anchor all this in a minute here. Pay times the hours, or 40, because okay, pay times 40. And if it is not, then it's just pay times 40. So it would be pay times hours, rather. Pay times the hours. And so in this particular case, it's true, there is overtime. There's 6 hours of overtime. And so then you're going to have 6 times time and a half plus the 40 times 850. Now, in order for me to copy and to fill down and copy and paste to the other weeks, I have to anchor this pay. The hours change every week, but the pay stays the same. And so everywhere you see, we want this column to stay the same. So everywhere we see a B, we want to put a dollar in front of it. So that's 3 different places here. So we're going to put anchor it, dollar B6 plus dollar B6 plus dollar B6. Okay, and then you'd fill down, and I could probably make this currency right now. And we're going to fill down, and just right here go copy, and then paste, paste, paste. All right, so then down here we're going to total it up for all 4 weeks, and so I'm going to hit escape to get rid of the running ants. I'm going to put, and so you can do this, 8 times 30 is 24, so that worked. And so it would be equal to this cell plus this cell plus this cell plus this cell, and then hit enter. Equals this plus this plus this plus this. Enter. Oh, it worked that time. And then the total deductions on the problem, the total deductions are 28%. There's the different percentages plus $120 for the 4 weeks. So going back to the problem, it would be equal to 0.28 times the gross plus $120 more. And so the net pay would be equal to the gross minus the total deductions. So then all we have to do is fill down and then total all this together. And I need some currency here. All right, now we've got what it would cost. And this is really what we're interested in here. So I'm going to make this one orange, a little bit bright. And so then we're going to copy this over. So we call this overtime. And I'm going to have to move this Jing thing. So we're going to left click and hold down Control and slide it over. It's not doing it right now. There it is. And that, and go over here. I'll do it on the next thing. We're finished here with 5 minutes are up.